So, this is our 2012 fireworks stash. We got the Grand Finale Assortment, the tube assortment from Phantom Fireworks, some free mini bomb repeaters, got the solar explosion, got a lot of ground blooms, jumping jacks stuff, and then start naming stuff. No, got Emerald City, bunch of repeaters, and this stuff is all Shelton, a bunch of maybe like $8 repeaters and stuff like that. Well, that's some of this is Phantom, but meteor showers, veteran salute, gunner mates again, Illinois bomber, Chicago cocktail. It's got some rum candles, more mortar kits. Now we got a whole box of stuff which we just had last year, from pretty much ranging every from little small thing. Yep.